Okay, so we changed our heater control valve out on our BMW e63 e64, and now we need to see why the valve went bad to determine whether or not we need to go through and flush our heater core, or whether or not it was just a stuck valve and the little seals and everything are still intact. So here's a little valve set, pretty standard for a lot of BMWs. They're similar to this. Some of them are different, some a little bit bigger for the older models, but they all function about the same. So we're going to take it apart and we're going to see if the seals went bad, or if maybe just the solenoids went bad. Hopefully the solenoids went bad and we don't have a bunch of contamination in our cooling system. So we take the screws out and then we just want to pop his head off. Like I say, we're not concerned about this valve because we already have one, so we just want to get him apart. Hopefully we can loosen things up and get the solenoids to pop. And we can see whether or not we still have the rubber seals on the bottom. So we just want to break the seals loose. And let's pull the caps off. We can see there's moisture. Probably can't see it in the video, but there is moisture inside the cap. May not be a good thing to have inside the electronics. Now there you can see we've got a lot of moisture inside of our caps there. So it's probably not helping us much. These are the little pickup valves. So we pull those off. Ah, we can see the problem. Right here, see our valve rubber has disintegrated, and so what that allowed was the coolant to go up and get into the whole system. That we had is that rubber seal right there had given away. Now the problem we have, it looks like it may have lost a little bit of rubber down into the coolant, but you can see it's just totally gone. The coolant's eating the little seals away. I heard that these are rebuildable, but for the cost of buying a new one, it's only less than $50, and it doesn't take too much time to change it. To me, it's not worth it. So you can see here, this one's ruined as well. So that was our problem. We had blown our rubber seals out, so the valves couldn't lift anymore. So this is the culprit as to, in a lot of cases, why you don't get cabin heat, is these little valves won't open and close, and if they stick open, probably would affect your AC in the summer. It wouldn't blow as cold because you're always going to have a little bit of heat bypassing these valves. So that was our problem. Like I say, we're not going to use the valve. Easier to replace it. 30 minutes to change the whole thing out on the car. Less than $50 for the replaced valve. So that's the easiest thing to do. Thanks for watching.